folks, welcome to another video from Tired Geek. Today I wanted to discuss some ways that you can diagnose a laptop that's not powering on or it's super sluggish. I've had a couple folks say, there was a weird thing and I turned on my laptop and everything's really slow, applications are sluggish and this and that. These solutions will also apply to that issue. So one thing to try is check and reseat all the connections from the power cable, power brick to the wall. Try a different outlet and check for lights to confirm that power is received on the cable, or sometimes there's an indicator somewhere on the laptop, either on the power button or on the edge you'll see an indicator light. You could also try shutting down the laptop completely, remove the power cable, remove the battery if applicable. Some batteries are underneath the bottom cover of the laptop and you'll have to unscrew that lid and undo the cable inside that connects to the motherboard, but I'd advise against that unless you are experienced with working inside laptop chassis. So if you can, remove the battery, wait a few minutes, plug it in, and try powering it on. Sometimes this doesn't work. If you just plug in the charger and hold down the power button for about 45 seconds, at least for Dell, I know this does somewhat of a reset, and then once you see the Dell logo come up, you'll be good to go. If these tips don't work, you might need to either try another power adapter that you have on hand or go online and place an order for the specific replacement OEM charger, or I know that there's quite a few companies that will sell a converter with a universal charging tips that might work for your device. And if it's still not working, if all these steps, you've gone through all these steps and it's still not powering on or taking a charge, it could be an issue of the main motherboard. I know that there's the DC jack and it sometimes can get worn out. I know there's a number of components on the motherboard that helps in the conversion of power. Things like capacitors might have blown, or the circuitry is just shot in a certain area, and that motherboard would either need to be taken to a repair service or replace it completely. And I could get into that, but that would be a whole nother video and quite a bit more detailed. I found that these tips and tricks have helped folks, even just telling folks to do certain things like this remotely on the phone or what have you, and I've had great success, especially that one where it's not powering on at all, it's plugged in, you've checked the cables and everything. If you hold down that power button for about 45 seconds to a minute and see some kind of sign of life, then you'll know you're good. Sometimes things can get corrupted with Windows in the BIOS and it just doesn't want to start. Computers and technology aren't perfect and they can definitely be stubborn sometimes. If you have any questions about this, feel free to pop them down into the comment box. Hit the like button, subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.